How to turn on or off call forwarding option on Android phones. So for this, you have two methods. Open your dialer. So right here, the first option is to type in star star 67 star, then enter the phone number that you want to forward the call and enter a hash and simply give it a call. And this should activate your call forwarding. If this does not work, similarly in my case, you have another option. Tap on the three dot icon at the very top. From there, tap on Call Settings. Here, if you have dual SIM, select a SIM and then tap on Call Forwarding. This next step might take a while because it is reading all the settings for now. Then, you have to select the option of Always Forward and enter the phone number that you want to forward your calls to. Then tap on Turn On. And simply like that, you will be able to turn on your call forwarding. Now to turn it back off, simply tap on Always Forward and tap on Turn Off. For the alternative way, you have to head back from here. And right here, you have to type in hash hash 002 hash and give it a call. Now once you do that, your call forwarding will be disabled. So go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for watching.